Hello. I want to introduce you to this beautiful Airbnb. You can see it's surrounded by all organics. Organics or organic? Whatever it is. But the place is so beautiful, spacious. As you can see, that is the parking. Me there, I didn't get enough avocados. I want to take more. So it's located in Kigo. It's 5-bedroom with 7 beds. This Airbnb, we can host parties. Although that is me now acting serious onto the job. So we have a security like 24/7. Askar is always there to assist you, to open for you the gate, and that is the kitchen. As you enter, we have a dispenser. Like, it's fully functional. It has everything that you need in a house. So you have a family gathering, you have a party. Look at how big is the gas cooker and the oven. So we host parties, and we can take as low as 800,000, and at times the price ranges according to the number of the people that you're going to host or you're gonna have. So that is the dining area. The place is so clean. Look at the sitting room, guys. The Wi-Fi is there, Netflix is there. So you can enjoy your day, you can enjoy with your friends, your family, birthday parties, kuchala, kwanjula, name it. You can book with us. Even if you want just you and your family, you can contact us. Just comment or just come to my inbox. And let me take you upstairs now. Okay, first is the laundry room. That is the washing machine. It's gonna be easier for you when you stay at this Airbnb. You can be washing as you watch Sarah on TikTok. Yeah, you only have to watch Sarah on TikTok. So that is a common bathroom. It's on the ground floor. So there's some beds on the ground floor as well. So that one, if you have more people, we can separate it and make it 2 beds. Each room has a closet, a bathroom. So that is the upstairs. That is tied on the camera, So, yeah, I know the video is quite long, but the house is big. That's why I had to show you everything. So this is the 2nd bedroom, another bedroom. It also has 2 beds. And there's that one as well. It also has wardrobes. It has also balcony. So you can enjoy with your friends and family. That is its bathroom. Yeah, look at the shower cabin. Yeah, it's really clean. And there is this one as well. Wait, yeah, this is the master bedroom. So I showed you, no, sorry, the other one was not the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. So it has a balcony, a bathroom, closets that are really huge. And yeah, that is it. You can see, you can access all that. And even if you want like only 3 bedrooms, we can rent you out the 3 bedrooms only. You want 2 bedrooms and you can afford it, we allow you to take it. That is me now talking to clients who wants that house. Yeah, then we have another level up, which is basically for parties. You can just be at the rooftop checking the lake view, because that house is facing the lake. The breeze there is just amazing. So it even have like standby, what is it called, inverter. Yeah, it has inverter, so even if power goes off, you don't go off like for real. So we took the video when the guest just checked out, so we wanted you to see that it's bookable. You can book it. You see that view. Look at the view, guys. Yeah, it's located in Kigo, just before reaching Munyonyo. You just go from the main road. It's like 500 meters. So if you'd like to book, the number is in the bio. Let us know if you need. Look at the neighborhood. Yeah, let us know, please. Thank you so much. Bye.